Hello everyone, this is Roy with Roy's Backyard Astrophotography. Earlier I posted a video on my telescope shed here and how it functions and how I built it and so forth and so on. So basically I wanted to give a follow-up on how it's working out for me. It's working out really great. Actually, this insulation that I put in here, right now we're having a little cool spell here in Texas, South Texas. It's 40 degrees outside, and right now my hydrometer and temperature gauge is showing 52.9 with a 49% humidity rate in here. So that's pretty good. I mean, it's 10 degrees difference, so it's not bad. It's R2 insulation. It's only a 1/2 inch thick, so it's got it up on the ceiling there and everywhere. But really tonight I wasn't planning on doing any imaging because the moon rather is almost at half phase, so it's hanging high up in the air and there's a lot of moon glow. So I won't be doing any imaging tonight, but I just kind of wanted to show you around, and also that what I have here is a dehumidifier. It's a small tabletop, and it works quite well. It's been drawing all the humidity out of here, so it has a little tray, little compartment in the back that catches all the water, the humidity, moisture, whatever. So anyway, I use that. I keep that running day in and day out. Of course, there's my electricity now, so I do have power. And over here, I have my live camera that I can monitor the telescope while it's imaging. That's a robotic that when it moves around, I can control it. This one right here is a stationary camera. That's the first one that I even put in here, so I just left it in here. But this one right here, I can control it, move it around 360 degrees all the way around. So it works out quite well. But right now, of course, I have my scope covered up. I have these bags in here that draw humidity out of the underneath the cover here. So that's those damp rid bags, and they work really good. They work well. So I keep one of those in there. Plus, I have some desiccant bags in there. But overall, the observatory is working out quite well. I like it. Of course, right now, the way the moon phase is now, I won't be doing any imaging tonight. I thought about putting my I got a Celestron Nexstar C130 SLT, and I'm thinking about mounting that on here one night and just do some pictures of the moon, or just do some star hopping, so but hopefully at the end of December here, when we have a new moon, I'll be able to do some imaging if the weather cooperates. It seems like every time we don't have the moon shining in the sky, it's cloudy. So anyway, I just wanted to share those things with you, and I'll have some further updates, and stay tuned. Thank you.